Going on route. Alright, so we are live on YouTube currently as we speak. You guys can go ahead and join up if you guys want. What's going on? I honestly need a SMC trader for my I need an SMC trader for my Telegram, man. I got a couple, and none of them are doing shit. So for my free Telegram, I need a SMC trader. Anybody that is interested, make sure to let me know. All right, anybody that's interested on the free Telegram group to manage it. I mean, it's a great experience for you to grow your trading. Apart from that, also, apart from growing your trading, you get to share your socials. So that's a very good thing as well. Let me fix this real quick. I'm interested. Show me some charts. Text me on Telegram and show me some charts, and we'll go from there. All right. Sure, I'll manage. Show me some charts. You don't have my handle. What you mean you don't have my handle, brother? How are you here then? How are you here if you don't have my handle? Alright guys, so looking at EURUSD, price is looking very interesting because we had this nice little impulse to the downside, you could say, right? Price here, we look at M30, we clearly have a clean breaker here. We had this down close that led to this huge sweep above. Price is obviously dropping down. We'll see if price here wants to give us any context at that 9:30 open in roughly a couple minutes, right? Still a little bit bullish. I would like to see price from there then drop down, and from here maybe give me a sell-off to grab the liquidity that's pending below right here, right? So we'll see how that plays off. Looking at gold, a little bit too stuck for my liking as well, but we'll see what price does with gold. The price is looking a little bit bullish from every angle. Looks like price might want to grab all the liquidity that's pending above. We'll see how that works out, but as of now, we're still gonna keep our eyes focused on EURUSD more than anything. Market's about to open fairly soon. We'll see from there how market wants to react, whether bullish or bearish. PA still looking like we are in a kind of a strong level of demand here, right? So we're still overall rejecting these levels. Who knows if price might want to drop from here? No, I don't really know. We'll keep track on that, but I have to see a clean. I'll have to see a clean break of structure first for me to then call out some shorts, right? As of now, I don't really want to get on anything. This does look like quite the model, right? Price impulse higher, then left behind these equal highs that we grabbed right here. Let me switch my mouse, man. This shit's been stupid. So this equal highs that we grabbed right here, it looks like quite the model there. So we'll see how price reacts from these levels, if it wants to go lower or what. Gold is interesting still, right? I don't know. We just have to wait for gold, to be honest. That's the thing. Just be patient and see if price wants to deliver us kind of anything from this angle here. I'm good, man. I'm good. US500. We'll see how price delivers for us. Interesting enough, we're below that opening gap, right? So that's also very interesting. That might give us some bearish momentum leading the week. That might be something, right? We do have liquidity pending above for SPX, so that's another thing. Liquidity is obviously above. We did have a little bit of a small sweep here, but the liquidity is still below here. So we'll see if we can get any type of context here for price to then go back up higher. What it wants to deliver for us, but as of now, we're still fairly bearish with SPX, right? So what I'm looking for now is what kind of formations can we get for price to continue dropping. Price looks like here we went up higher. We did have, it looks like we do have a complete model here though, because price dropped down. Kind of gives us an OB here. We'll see how that reacts right there within an FEG right here, right? So that's also something that potentially we could try to sell off from within SPX. But as of now, not really ideal. Watch chart, hop in the YouTube. Hop in the YouTube, guys. We're on YouTube live right now. Oh, let me just pen that. There it is. There it is. And pin comments. Now you guys know where I'm at. Price should definitely continue dropping, to be honest. If people are going to be looking for those buys, doubt that's going to happen. I'm going to go for the sells here. If this sets up for us, I'm going to try to go for the sells here for SPX. Continue on with this short off. I just don't think we're going to have that entry. That one amount. So grab the liquidity above. Didn't really give us much. Huge amount right then and there. Doesn't look like that tends to give us anything. Let's see what's going on for gold. Gold's still looking fairly bullish here. Making a lot of liquidity below though, that's one thing. It's making a lot of liquidity right here. So we'll see how that reacts. And then EU still fairly stuck here. Nothing to kind of look for as of yet. Such indicator is that? It's going to be called Asian session high-low midlines. And then I put 1 and 2 for London and then 1 for 18 for Asia. So Asian session high-low midlines. That's what I use. So look at the SPX. It's definitely not going to go back up there, right? I doubt it. It's going to want to. To price tapping your order block or FG, what do you look for before selling or buying? It depends if we are in bullish or bearish PA, right? Because then I could either try to go for the reversal, or if it's a continuation. If it's a continuation, then I'll just continue. I don't need to look for anything. If it's a reversal, then if it's a reversal, then I'll look for a break of structure in small time frames. Or we can close out. That's not looking good. Looks like price and I want to go above. Didn't have enough room for that. That's fine. Alright, guys, we're gonna stay live on YouTube. Peace, peace. Alright, let's see gold. Anything? Yeah, gold is looking fairly bullish, man. It's just flying up here. We can't even continue with some gold longs. I'm not even gonna lie to you. The price is just looking like it's going, right? So, I set an M5 feature right there with that OB. Why not continue with PA? Why not, right? Oh, guess it didn't want to make the FVG there. Who doesn't want to make it? Then it's fine. You don't have to make it. Juan, my brother, how's it going? I don't know if it's gonna want to overshoot that. It's small FVG that we're making there, right? It's still valid, and the OB is there. But you can see how it's rejecting out of all these levels of demand, if anything, right? It's rejecting out of this level of demand here. Well, that'll be right there. This will be right here, and then we have that last OB right here. It is kind of overshooting above, but we are at a premium. That's the thing, that we are at a premium. So when that does happen, I would like to see a super liquidity over here, and then price give me something so I can sell below again. I can sell above to grab the liquidity below. Right? So EU back up at that level that we wanted. We do have that breaker right there, the H1 breaker, and we are back at that level of supply. Now the question is, are we going to get a break? We did grab strong levels of supply over here, which I want to see. Now can we get a shift for us to continue shorting? That's the main question now. What is price going to do now that it overshot above with EURUSD? What do you guys think? We're gonna get a context or no context? I have a buy limit at 1958, 3.2 to 1968 for gold. 58, I mean, that's down there, brother. That's down there. I wouldn't, even if we get this placement here, I wouldn't sell. I hate selling when we have equal highs or buying when we have equal lows. You know, it's just not a trading plan at all. So, I'd rather just wait here what we get with EURUSD. You grabbed that liquidity? It didn't grab liquidity, not yet. Honestly, it still has those equal highs above, so I'd rather wait for that to get grabbed, if anything. Keep my eyes more on EURUSD here. EURUSD did grab the liquidity. There is imbalance above. Well, it's at a level of supply, quote unquote, right? So, what's your person to do now? Oh, we're starting to take those equal highs, so we could still try to capitalize on this because we're still to take the liquidity below here. So we could still take this SPX sell here. We're starting to take these levels. Oh shit, look at gold, like that liquidity grab. That's quite the grab right there, man. EU2. Jeez Louise, man, what's going on here? Do we have news? So we overshot EU. SPX still triggering us in. Look at gold, man, what a pop. So it did hit that OB, you know, it did respect that this demand levels that we were marking off. Demand, demand, and then demand here. Yes, smaller time frames, but it still respected it. We had that huge impulse above. I'm trying to see if there was anything here, like an FEG that we could have potentially capitalized from. But not entirely looks too clean, everything looks a bit too choppy, to be honest. I guess we did make that M4 right here. That could have been something. Damn, SPX, what's going on here? What are those wicks? That's horrendous. Looks like we got sucked out of SPX. Jesus. Not ideal. That movement was just all over the place. What is going on? Is there news? What the hell? Nothing more than I hate that getting booked out. Well, if you didn't get spread here, you didn't get stopped out, I think. Right? It's like right in the money. I guess you could say almost stopped out, right? That's looking like a drop down. Pretty aggressive PA, man. You guys could take profits if you're in this trade. Looks like pretty much some aggressive PA that you wouldn't really want to be into, so. Take these profits, man. All right, let's move on from pairs. Let's look at gold, fairly bullish from that level temple. You know, it doesn't look like much we're gonna get here. Especially it's still overextended here. EURUSD still overextended, grabbed all the liquidity above has been grabbed. That's a pretty good thing to see. Gold lows below still pending, so not really a fan of any short here. I don't think I'll focus on some longs. I mean, I'm not really a fan of any longs, I'm going to say. I don't think I'll be focusing on, there's plenty of downsides and then capitalize on some shorts. I want to see if we did capitalize. Well, we did take London highs. We still haven't taken Asian highs. But I feel like this is the top that we reached. Brush out of Jesus. The what? The what? What do you mean, bro? So, okay. Let's see. What can we got for EU here? The range of highs were still from this high to this high, right? But we did just make a lower high point here, so that's another context there that we have. Maybe for price to start dropping, just maybe. So FEG being formed here, pretty good. Right there. I hate how there's no wick though. If we do make this, and we can confirm, that can be something for us to try to capitalize from. UGU, go to sell. Maybe. This is what I can see when I'm looking at FEG. Right here. You got 2 wicks above. Beautiful. If we can make that type of FEG right there, that's pretty good context for me to try to sell this off. Especially when we're at that level above, we failed to make that higher high points. We have nice little FEG context to try to capitalize from. I don't think price should go back up hard here. We have that higher time frame breaker. Okay. Here's the setup, guys. Here is the trade. EURUSD sells right there. We're making an M2 FEG, so this might have to be tweaked a little bit. I want to fucking melt off, man. So making an M3 FEG right here. That's looking interesting. M3. So I can tweak this yet again. Because again, the higher time is the one that matters. Everything else doesn't. And 4 is looking neat. We'll see how that sets up as well. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Gold looks like it hunted that liquidity. Looks like we went back above. Oh no, we didn't. We're still stuck at this range here. But we definitely hit full TP for sure for SPX. Look, I see you on 1. Not ideal yet to try to capitalize on anything, to be honest. I'd rather just wait here. Just wait it out for now. Looks like we're making an M4 FEG now. Here. But I have to tweak that a little bit. Oh my god. That's crazy that we couldn't get tapped in. Oh my god, what a headache. What? Look at those mouths. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, that's trading. I fucking love it. What happened? News again? Where are these news coming from? How do I not even know where these news are coming from? What is this? Wednesday at 10 a.m.? Oh, Jolt's job opening. I had no idea, dude. What the hell? Jesus Christ. What the hell? What the Christ, man? All right. Gold. So gold, we got a nice displacement now at that top range, right? That's good to see. Now the question is, are we gonna get an FEG here that we can capitalize from? Try to go for these continuations. Price obviously very overextended here. Looks like we barely tapped into that M2 FEG that we had above. Right here, you know, just barely. So the context of this range is now from this high to this low. Don't know if price here I want to continue. Honestly, already had our moves kind of drawn up for us, you know, being quite honest. So I feel like the day is kind of done. You know, this is what you're looking for when you're trading SMC, is hunting that liquidity and then just getting away when the rest of the people are going for it. So I'm gonna leave it here, guys. You guys know how it goes. Don't trade. Don't worry, appreciate you guys. And peace. See you guys tomorrow, alright?